Introduce highlight features or overview summary of GADFISH Pool Pole Telescopic, 3 to 12 feet aluminum telescoping pole with 4 Baffle locks universal extension pole. There are features include: convenient pool cleaning pole. The pool pole's head size is 1-1/4 inches, compatible with your skimmers, brushes, leaf nets, and other tools. This design helps you easily maintain your swimming pool, quickly clearing debris, leaves, and dirt, ensuring the water remains clean. Flexible extendable pole. The adjustable length ranges from 3 to 12 feet, easily reaching every corner of the pool and suitable for different pool sizes. Equipped with 4 locks, the pool skimmer pole can be freely adjusted to ensure firmness and stability. This pool brush pole folds up conveniently for easy storage. Time and effort saving. Made of durable aluminum alloy, it is resistant to bending and breaking. The non-slip foam grip ensures a secure hold. Using the pool net pole can significantly enhance cleaning efficiency, making pool maintenance easier and more convenient. Versatility. Equipped with a 3/4 inch universal threaded head, the telescoping pool pole can not only clean pools but also be used for various tasks, such as car wash brush, paint roller, broom, fishing net, and tools with threaded bases. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe. Recommend new products releases update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.